time in India, our Grama Samparka Yatra, almost we touched 461 villages. This achievement is appreciated by everyone. After that, we have started this heritage tour.
Saimik Daiz. Saimik Daiz.
That is a
Saimik Daiz.
Saimik
Daiz.
natural heritage. So we have already identified 41 things. We are visiting that, and we are going to publish it by way of the book and spread all over India and outside. So it will help the tourists also. And those people who are nowadays the trend in the Vale is that not only people are going for enjoyment alone, but studying certain things. Certain people are interested in trees, that forest areas and other things. Certain people are interested in rivers, islands. So all these things, 4 or 5 animals will, after this we are going to focus on our islands, the beautiful islands.
नव्या कोंकणी लेखकांक उर्बा दिवंक राजभवन खंय 25 नवी कोंकणी पुस्तकां छापून हाडपाक अनुदान दितले.
We are going to sponsor new writers in Konkani language. And if they are not published in book, that they are talented, that our pundits in that language, they will recite their books, and if their proposal is there, we will bear the entire expense, and we will give remuneration also to them. In that way, 25 Konkani language books we are going to sponsor, that also today or tomorrow our annual will announce.
प्रुडंटा खातीर कल्पेश गवस.